Greetings, guys and gals, friends from all places, welcome back. If you've been here before, if you haven't been here and it's your first time, welcome here for your first time. And I do hope that you find something of use or value to you. The thing I'm working on today, even though I have Parmeet sitting here, it's really more about Denis, and what I'm trying to do, what I want to do today is, maybe not in this video today, maybe it'll be in a subsequent one, but I wanted to put the bobbin winder device back together. And what I'm uncomfortable with is I want to know if this spring is complete and in good condition. I'm not sure if it broke. I didn't see any other pieces when I took the machine apart for cleaning and inspection. So I thought the best way to, and when I went to the service manual about the bobbin winder device, they do not have an exploded view of the bobbin winder device like they do for a lot of the things like the needle thread tension assembly and so on and so forth. So I thought, well, what I'll do is I'll take this apart and see if I can find that part and its bobbin winder, and we'll see how this spring compares to the one in Parmeet here. So without further ado, I'm going to, and Parmeet here hasn't been cleaned or restored. I did a little bit of work on the hook, but that's about it. So we're gonna have to take the hand wheel off to get at the bobbin winding gear. So we'll put those things over there. I need a little container, not a large one, but a little one. Oh geez, neighbor downstairs will be complaining about that, no doubt. Well, here we go, we got a little container. There, I just want to keep them all together. So, and then we can unscrew that. Oh geez, I'm already cutting you out. What kind of a man am I? So off that comes. Not a terrific amount of grunge or sludge or anything like that. It looks like a little bit, but you know, the outside of it, the chrome is in nice condition. There's not a lot of scratches or wax on that one. And when I say wax, I mean hits, not polishing wax. There's our washer, or it came off. So we'll put that there, and then we can just slide. This belt is toast. This belt is going to be going to the dumpster. It's just, yeah, I could probably get some more out of it. I might keep it as an extra for something else, but to put it on a restoration, it's already started to fray a little bit. Another pressure point there. I could probably get another 5 or 10 years out of it, but you know, at some point I may want to sell this, so it has to be in good condition. It has to be in sellable condition. So there's our grimy hand wheel. So that's off now. Now we can go at the bobbin winder mechanism. And of course, what screwdriver do I want to use to do that with, right? Let me cut a ribbon off the big Wera screwdriver here. There, we got that one off. I took the cover off, the tip, and let me start with this one. Oh, that undone really easy. Did you hear it kind of unsnap? See, I'm thinking about you guys. You guys can hardly believe this, that I'm keeping you in mind, huh? Oh, geez, I forgot to set the timer, so. Oh, there's a bunch coming off here now. Yes, indeed. So we'll put our stuff from there on that side. And I want to get this off. I'm not going to start doing a restoration on this machine right now today, but what I take off today, I will clean, you know, today and tomorrow. And And that's the beauty of having multiple machines, is that, you know, it's bring them on in and compare them, you know. If we have the luxury of that, and we do have that here, it's a great way to speed up the learning. I do like this screwdriver. It's the only one I've tried from the Wera set, but the handles are very comfortable. They're very suited to the human hand, I think. Okay, so we got that off. Now we're going to have to get that off anyway, even though it doesn't have the... Let me move this over a little for you. There, I think that's a little better there. But, and that one is a stiff one, and that was a really stiff one on the other one as well. So that's interesting. They must, you know, torque those screws in or something. Okay, and this is where the springs are going to be. There's no washers, we know that. So we don't have to worry about washers. We're going to take this screw out. There it goes. And then we're going to take that one off. And then we see that first spring right there. That's the bigger spring. The spring we're looking at here, well, that doesn't look like that spring, does it? Because this spring is this spring. Those two are the same there. Yeah. So this one must be the same as this one. But we'll look, you know what, let's look over here right now. Because check this spring out, make sure that I'm talking about what I'm talking about. That screw's not even undoing, because I need to undo this little screw on the other side to get it off. I like this screwdriver. It's only the first Wera I've ever tried, but I like it. You know, and I'm a Chapman guy too. I mean, I like my Chapman screwdrivers too. So there, we'll take that off. We'll put that screw there because that's where that screw goes back to. We can pull this screw out through there like that, but I'm going to leave it on, kind of. And there's that big spring. Are you with me still? You are, lucky you. So that spring is off. That screw is loose. There's the tire on the wheel. And we still need to see this spring here. So when we compare these two springs, clearly the one that came out of Denis is defective. So now I have a decision to make. See, that spring should look like that. So we're missing a lot of that spring. And it's not even exactly that precise as far as sizing goes. So, but these machines are made in different years. You know, they may be the same. So this one is no good. This one coming off Denis is no good. So I have a choice to either keep this one and use it on Denis for now to complete the restoration, which is what I think I will do. We know now that Parmeet here is missing this inside spring. So very good. We'll put all the other springs and screws and that, and then I'm going to get to work later today or tomorrow making a video about cleaning that one too, even though we've already made a video. I call these videos live. They're not really live because I am recording them. But quite often, usually, when I open up a machine, it's the first time I've opened up the machine. So we get to explore this together. And like I say, there's multiple machines here, and that gives us a very good advantage for our learning. So I'm going to stop there with this one, and I'm going to continue on with reassembling this device right here, the bobbin winder for Denis. Now that we have the new spring. So, and then I'm going to see if I can order one of those springs too, because I have 4 of these machines, and because I am becoming knowledgeable, because I'm getting a knowledge base on restoring these machines, if I see one for a reasonable price that I can fix and maybe turn over a few months from now, that would be good too. I'm going to have to start monetizing this a little bit, selling some machines, not right away, but by September certainly. I want to have a platform set up that I can sell machines, because if I'm going to keep buying nice tools like this, I need to be more of a businessman. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. You know what? A call to action. Thank you for subscribing and viewing and liking and commenting and hitting the notifications bell. Please do hit that notifications bell. Please do subscribe and view. And thank you. I do appreciate, when you support this channel, you're supporting about 43 machines that live here with me. And that's where the help, that's where it all settles down. But I'm looking forward to getting a bit of cleaning done on Parmeet. It's a beautiful machine. And Parmeet was a very nice elderly lady. She had some nice stitchings and things that she had made in her home. And I got a good deal on it. I think she sold it to me for $45 or something, And, anyway, enough for now. Take care of yourselves. Take care of each other, and have fun, and stay healthy, and come on back real soon. Thank you.